Hello, my internet friends, and welcome to another video. So today, as promised, I'm here with a review on some of the fragrances that I hold. I'm going to try to break them up so that the video is not too long. Um, First, let's start with this bottle. This is a stunning bottle. It looks like a diamond, and this is the box it comes in. um I'm not going to dwell too much on the boxes, but it comes well packaged. I got this from fragrancenet.com and it's legit. It came well packaged, in time, everything. I've had really good experience with fragrancenet.com, so that's about that. Beautiful bottle. It may annoy you if you like to stand your bottles because this doesn't stand, but you can place it down like this, like a beautiful diamond, and no problem with that. So this is regular price of fragrance, designer fragrances like Chanel, Lancome, what else? I can't think of anything right now. Dior, highly raved about video fragrance here on YouTube. Jeremy Fragrance loves this, so Demi also raves about this. Karina Waldron also likes this. So that those are the three who made me buy it. And I must say, I do not like this. And this is not a knock on them because I do respect their opinions. They've recommended many fragrances to me that have been that I've liked. This was just a fail. And so, you can't like everything. This is a gourmand fragrance. It's very warm, so I'd wear it in the winter. Let's spray it and see. I try not to use, because when I watch videos and people say it smells like tonka or tuberose, or I don't know what that smells like. I want a description, so I'm going to try to describe it to the best of my ability. It smells very nice. I sprayed the cap. It smells very nice, but to me it's a little too sweet. It's headache inducing for me. It's sweet, it's fruity, again very warm. So you would wear it in the, I would again wear whatever you want anytime you want, but I have so many that I split up my fragrances. So I'd wear this in the cold weather. I can smell vanilla, the sharp notes in there. Skin, it picks up lychee very strongly, but this is a beautiful fragrance. If only it wasn't so headache inducing to me, this is one I would definitely keep around. But it's very headache inducing for me. But to be objective, this is a beautiful fragrance. It's gourmand, it's sweet, it's vanilla. And so if you're looking for a very gourmand, fruity fragrance and you don't have that problem of getting a headache when a fragrance is too sweet or it has a sharp note in there, I think this will work for you. But if you're that person who cannot do too sweet, like me, Mon Paris is probably the sweetest I can do. Even that I feel is a little too sweet for me. So it was a mistake for me to probably pick this up. I should have known watching the reviews online, but I wanted to try it because it was so raved about. And so again, this will be leaving my collection. The next one, another mistake I made was this. I got it because Macy really likes it. Also, Simple Chic likes. Whenever she likes something, I like it, and she really liked it. That's the only reason I got this. But later, when I got this and I decided I didn't like it, I saw a video of hers where she also decluttered hers. So I was like, aha. But this is another very beautiful fragrance. It's described as a gourmand fragrance, but honestly, when I spray it, I definitely feel like it's an oriental fragrance. Definitely, look at this. It looks like apple juice and it smells like juice. It's so sweet. On first sniff, definitely oriental, which is I feel what saves it. The oriental note in here saves it. Otherwise, it's just too sweet. Even with the oriental note, it's too sweet for me. But then again, I already mentioned I can't do too sweet. But you definitely smell the pineapple. Pineapple in here. It has some earthy woodsy notes that for me saves it. That's the only reason I kept it this long, and I tried to spray it because that earthy woody note saves it for me. It kind of almost dilutes the sweetness. And the reason I'm not keeping it is because I have so many fragrances and I'm like, wearing this for me is a compromise. It's wearing it because I got it and I don't want it to go to waste. And I don't want to feel like that. I have so many fragrances that I like and love and I don't have enough opportunities to wear them. That's why would I waste any opportunity to wear something that I do not absolutely love. So that's the only reason I won't be keeping this in my collection. But it's a beautiful fragrance. Little too sweet for me. Too sweet. You smell the pineapple in there. This is pineapple juice. But again, the earthy woody note comes in to save it. That's the saving grace of this fragrance. Now, Look at this absolutely beautiful bottle. Oh, I didn't mention the bottle of this. I really like the simple classiness of this bottle. I love this. Okay, not much pomp and pedantry going on, but this is classy, beautiful. I think this bottle is beautiful. Now this, look at this stunning bottle. Guys, I'm working on my setup, okay? If you have any feedback, as the videos go on, if things change and you prefer something, let me know. And also if you have any feedback on this video, just let me know. Look at the stunning bottle. I love it. Now again, the smell is nice, but it's not for me, okay? I think I'm past that age. I think maybe I should have got this in undergrad. This is what this reminds me of. When I was in undergrad, I've never been much of a partier, even in my youth. This reminds me of when the girls would go clubbing. This is what they used to smell like. And so maybe that's why I don't like it. But it's a very party scent to me. Um, it's a beautiful scent, but I just can't do it. It's just not me. And maybe because I associate it with the girls going clubbing, or maybe it's just my age, but I don't like it. And I try to keep it because I was like, oh, maybe I can wear it to sleep because this is like classified as one of the best man eaters. So I can wear it to sleep. Maybe my husband will like it. You know, we make some new babies. Yay, everything is nice. But my husband doesn't even like this. So I'm like, okay, if you're supposed to be a man eater fragrance and my husband doesn't like it, then there's no need keeping you in my collection. The only thing is this bottle is so beautiful. But this smells like, it smells like a party. You know, it smells like fun. It smells like bourbon and bad decisions. This is what this smells like. I know this is very popular, so not to knock on anyone who likes it. I was influenced by it here on YouTube by Jeremy Fragrance, Demi Rollin, and Karina Waldron. And I respect their opinions. Mostly they haven't steered me wrong. And I just don't like this. And it's through no fault of it's through no fault of the fragrance. It's just not me. So it's definitely a sweet fragrance. If I think this could be a signature scent, this could be worn all year round. It's definitely a heavy hitter. If you have a lot of fragrances and you like to split them up like I do, then this would be more appropriate for the colder months. But if you don't do all that and you just have 1 or 2 or 3 fragrances in your collection and that's all you wear, this would be a great signature fragrance. I definitely get some gourmand notes from it. I smell the tuberose. Now I know what tuberose smells like because I have a couple tuberose fragrances. So when I smell that common notes, I know that's tuberose. That's how come I know notes. I haven't gone to perfume school. I'm not a professional. I just kind of pick up on the notes if I feel like something has this and something has this and they have a similarity. That's how I pick it out. So I think that's what tuberose smells like, but don't quote me on it. Yes, it's warm, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's definitely smell the bergamot and the tuberose. And yes, that's a beautiful fragrance. If you're a younger crowd, I think you really like this. And to have this on your, like if you're in college and you have this in your room or something like that, you know, this is a nice fragrance to have for a younger crowd. If you're older, I don't know that you like this, or if you're just that really boring person like I am, I don't think you like this because I'm very boring and I just think this is not for the boring. Okay, so that's it for today. I didn't want the video to be too long. If you think three fragrances are too few, let me know, and then maybe I can do 5 per video instead of 3 per video, or if this length is good enough, then also let me know so that I'll keep doing it. I hope you enjoyed my video today. This is me blowing you a kiss, and I'll see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye bye. Stay safe.